I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to increase the volume of a specific audio section in Audacity. Step 1. Open the audio file in Audacity where you have a section that you want to increase the volume. Step 2. Highlight the section in this file where you want to increase the volume. Step 3. Click Effect in the row of options along the top of the screen to open a menu, and then click Amplify in this menu. The Amplify window opens. Step 4. Use the slider in the Amplification section to set what you want the level for this part of your file to be. To increase the volume of this selection, you'll need to reduce the amplification number. You can click Preview to hear what your adjusted audio will sound like. Step 5. Click Apply when you're ready to apply these changes to the highlighted part of your audio file. That window will close and the highlighted part of your Audacity file will be modified. And if you don't like how your changes came out, you can always click Edit and then Undo, and then try increasing your volume using the Amplify feature again. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.